friends, today I'm back with another style video, and this one starts with some sassy little under things. So to start with, I am just wearing, these are actually bathing suit bottoms, but I love wearing them underneath sheer things. And then this bra is really cute. I'm really into wearing sheer things with really sexy things underneath. I feel like it makes me feel very womanly for some reason. So the front of this dress, the top is very sheer, the skirt is not, but the back is completely sheer, as you will see when I turn around. It is a wrap dress, so I actually just kind of pulled it up because it was really stretchy. I just stepped into it and then realized it was tied really weird. So I re-tied it. The thing I do like about this dress is that you can kind of tie it however you like, however it feels comfortable. So you can really cinch your waist in there, or you can make it kind of slouchy. It's really, really stretchy, super soft material. It's very comfortable. It feels like pajamas. So that's why I'm wearing this like sassy little sexy bra underneath it, because it makes it feel a little bit less like pajamas and more like a sophisticated dress with a completely see-through back. So this is a necklace. The dress and the necklace are both by Disturbia. I will credit everything I'm wearing in the description below so you can see where I got everything. The boots, I believe, are Steve Madden, but I will put what they actually are in the description below. They're very, very, very comfortable. Usually boots with a heel this high are not so comfortable, but these are like my wear them all night and my feet don't hate me and want to die boots. I like this dress with boots, I think, because it's so sheer that the boots give it a little bit of an edge instead of it just looking like really sexy. It kind of looks a little bit more, I don't know, maybe like edgy gothy. In the last few years, since I have not been making style YouTube videos, my style has evolved a little bit. I feel like it's actually kind of going back to style I was more into in my teen years. This 90s goth thing is making a resurgence in my life and in my heart, and I am living for it, but it feels a little bit more grown up to me. But you know, I'll always go back to my pinup roots. Just keep watching and you'll see more of my style evolution. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.